Hey doc, can a drugstore mouthpiece fix my snoring?
A device that is generically out there, it's not customized to your mouth. Now, someone like myself that's been practicing for 36 years and has seen, thousands and thousands of patients, I am able to make the necessary measurements. There is no way that a device, a generic device from a drugstore that you make at home is going to be able to do all of that. The advanced techniques that we use in the practice is the reason for our success because we follow a patient for a period of at least 6 months to make sure that everything is going to plan and that all the health issues are being resolved.